How to change TikTok age. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to change your age on the TikTok app. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into my TikTok app on my mobile. Then when I'm on my TikTok app, then we need to click right here. After that, we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Then scroll down almost to the end, but until you see where it says report a problem, click here. Now what you need to do is to go down a little and click where it says account and profile. In here, just click on editing profile. After that, we need to scroll down and click on other. So when you have done that and come to this page here, then you will need to click where it says need more help. When you have come to this page, then you can start writing something like, when I created my account, I by mistake chose the wrong age on TikTok. So right now, the age on my TikTok account is incorrect and I want to change my age to, and then just write the correct age that you want TikTok to change it to instead. You don't have to write exactly like this, by the way, but just make sure that you point out that there's been a mistake from your side and you want the help from TikTok to fix this issue. After you're done, then you can click where it says report. What will happen is that somebody in the TikTok office will look at what you wrote and then reply back to you. I forgot to mention in my previous video about this, but they probably will want you to somehow confirm that the age you're going to change is actually your correct age, just so you know. So if you have accidentally wrote an incorrect age when you created your TikTok account, then just follow the exact same steps that I just did in this video, and then after that, hopefully this issue will be resolved for you. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, and don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.